Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Where are we going next? Today we've got another room tour here for you, and this time we're at the Hard Rock Hotel Riviera Maya, and we're at the Hacienda side, and we've got a room to show you. First of all, I just want to say thank you to the Hard Rock Hotel for hosting us on our stay. So thank you, Hard Rock. So we're just looking into the bedroom area right now, and one really cool thing about this room, which we'll take a look at in just a couple minutes, is hiding behind this little wall here is a staircase leading up to a second floor, and there's actually a sky terrace, because this room is called a deluxe sky terrace, one bedroom room. So it's got its own private little terrace upstairs, and we'll take a look at that just a little later on. The other thing we're going to show you on this tour is our balcony, because if you take a little look here, we've got an ocean front here. It's kind of a partial ocean view room, but we'll take a look at that a little later on from the sky terrace. So we're going to start this tour off, as we usually do, over here at the front entrance. And if we just look over to the right here from the front entrance, just wanted to let you know this light already just came on because there is a sensor back there. So as soon as you open the closet door, the lights will turn on to illuminate the closet area. So inside the closet, there's some storage here. There's even like a in-room safe to put your belongings while you're staying. There's some hangers for your things here. And then Hard Rock does provide you with the Hard Rock branded robes to use while you're staying in the room. And I think there's also a little tag on here too that says that you can take these robes home if you stop by the Rock Shop. So that's in the lobby. You could purchase the robe itself. So over on the other side of the closet, there is a couple little in-room amenities like this ironing board and the iron here, and then just some extra storage up top for your things. So plenty of closet storage here. So starting back at the door here, if we look over from the right side as you enter the room, we'll open up this big slider door here, and we've got the bathroom. So inside the washroom here, we have a stand-up shower, and this is an all-glass shower. We just got the door open right now. And then in the shower, you also have a little shelf here for your things to use while you're in the shower, and a drying line too for your swimsuits or anything you need to dry while you're in your room. Just across from the shower, there's a shelving system here so you can store some of your things here. And I really love this like stone backsplash. It's actually a backsplash for the other side, but the light comes through from the balcony doors. There's some towels here set up really nicely. And then again, the Hard Rock does provide slippers while you're in your room. And these ones say Buenas noches, which is cute. And then inside the bathroom area, you probably already saw there's a giant mirror here to check yourself out before you head out for the day. And then over here, we've got our sink area. And I love the mirrors in this. It makes it look like really big in here. So we've got these shutters here too to give some privacy while you're in the washroom. So you can shut them or open them to let a little bit more light in. The vanity area is a double, well, it's not quite a double sink, it's a single sink, but it's got two faucets, so two people can get ready at once. There's some power here for your things. And then over on this side, the hotel does provide you with different toiletries, like body lotion, shampoo, and conditioner, which we saw in the shower. And then some other things too, like a sewing kit, makeup remover, and things like that. Also to point out, which is really nice, is we have this vanity mirror that lights up. So that's like a cool feature. Hello. And then another power source just here to plug in your things to help you get ready. And then just beside the, or just across from the sink, there's a separate door here for the toilet area. So there's some privacy for the toilet. And then there is another little nook here too, but it's just got the trash bin just there. Oh, one other thing I just noticed too is there's a hook for some towels or bathrobes just there as well. But I really love this like stone design and these warm light pennants hanging from the ceiling, just bringing together the colors here in the washroom area really nicely to match this like stone backsplash. So coming out of the bathroom area then and heading into the bedroom now, this bedroom has a king size bed, and it's got a really nice like headboard. I love this like wooden structure here, and then the little stones on the wall behind to kind of bring things together. Very, very beautiful decor in here. If we turn over to the right side, the stone kind of continues and we can see this beautiful stone backsplash as well. This time here, it's got the coffee area and mini bar. So inside the, I'll start at the mini bar down here. So inside this cupboard here, we've got a refrigerator, and inside the refrigerator, this is something that gets restocked every day. We've got some Pepsi products. So we've got Pepsi, Diet Pepsi, 7-Up, Corona, and then some soda water. So just above the mini bar, we have the coffee nook area, and the hotel rooms are equipped with Nespresso machines, and they have little Nespresso pods here. So I'll definitely be making good use of these. And then they also have some fixings for your coffee. So these little packages, caffeineos, and inside they have 2 non-dairy creamer packets, sugar, and then low-cal sugar substitutes, and then 2 stir sticks as well. So stuff to dress up your coffee. And then we have some tea here as well, some chamomile and such. And then we got 2 waters that are provided in the room as well. Just above that, we've got 2 glasses to make yourself a drink. And then we have some additional shelving storage just above in this coffee nook area. Oh, I forgot to mention there are 2 mugs as well to go along with the coffee area. So just to the left of that, there's a small seating area with a chair and then a small table. And then we got a nice little gift from the Hard Rock. So just want to say thank you for that lovely gift from the team at the Hard Rock. And then just to the left, we've got, just to the right of this little area, 2 mirrors. Those are also the mirrors that you use inside the washroom too, but just again to make the space a little bigger here in this little nook. Also, there is power on the wall too, so if you wanted to like perch up here and plug in a laptop, you can hang out there with your laptop. And that brings us then over to the bed area. So again, beautiful headboard here. They kind of culminate on either side with these bedside tables. And there is some drawer storage here. And I like this like handle here. It's like a leather strap handle, very rugged, very rock and roll like. And then we've got the remote control for the TV, a phone to reach out to guest services. The bellman said that anything you need from your room, you can call 0. There's also buttons to reach out to different spots here in the hotel if you need anything. And I like this here too. There's like a writing pad or a notepad. It says potential song lyrics. Better to write them down. So you can write down any song lyrics if you're working on any songs while you're staying at the Hard Rock. Just across from the bed, we've got the TV or entertainment area. So it's just a small little area. There's no storage just here, but there is a big screen TV here, and it's showing some of the promotional content for the Hard Rock. So right now it's showing Awaken Your Senses, which is a cool multi-sensory experience, dining experience here at the Hard Rock. There is an aircon here on the wall as well to control the air in your room, and some switches to control the lighting in the room as well. And I did forget to mention, just from the hallway area from the closets, there's a big mural on the wall here, like a big acoustic guitar with a nice flower pattern here. And there's like a spot here, like a tabletop to put your things down, and some additional drawer storage here that you can use to store your things while you're staying here. So just beside the TV, you might have noticed this like large door. This isn't any closet space or anything like that. It actually is like an adjoining door to a room that would be next door. If you were to take these 2 rooms side by side, you can open up these doors and connect these rooms together. So coming over this way, just to the left side of the bed, we have a similar bedside table with this drawer storage here. And then we have a little alarm clock on the bedside table here with all kinds of different like options for music. We've got plugs here. We did have power on the other side too. You guys know I like to mention there's power USB, but we do have power. No USB connections on the walls there, but you can power your devices with that power outlet. And 2 lighting sconces and reading lamps on either side of the bed. So that's going to bring us to the outdoor balcony here on this level, the first level. And one thing I did mention already is there is hammocks here on all the balconies here at the Hard Rock. So that's nice for like hanging out, reading, getting some sun on your balcony. And then there is patio chairs and a little table out here if you wanted to read or hang out outside on the chairs. One thing to note too, as soon as you open the doors, the terrace door, the sliding door here, or the front door to the room, the aircon will go off. So you do have to keep all the doors shut to keep the aircon on. So our view from our room here is actually looking out over Woodstock Terrace, and they do use this little terrace here for concerts. So if there was a concert going on, we'd have a really awesome view of it just here. And Country Fest is just ending right now here at Hard Rock. So they are doing it at the convention center, not here at Woodstock Terrace. But they do concerts here on the terrace here. So you can just check their events calendar for all the different listings. But we've got a beautiful garden view here too. And as I mentioned before, we've got a partial ocean view here too. But that's gonna definitely sweeten up a bit. As soon as we get to the second level here, you'll get much better view. So we'll take a look at that in just a second here. But from our room here, we have very easy access to the Hacienda pool area and lobby. And then also if we head over to the right here, that'll lead us to the Heaven section. But we did a full resort tour of the hotel. If you wanted to see that, you can take a look at that on our YouTube channel. Back inside now, I'm actually standing right above the bed on the staircase now. Just give you a shot of what the room looks like here. Here's the bed, and then the front entrance into the washroom area just here. So what we're gonna do now is just turn left up the staircase here, and we're gonna head upstairs and show you guys the Sky Terrace, because this is a really cool feature of this room. So just turning over to the right, you can see the sunlight coming in already. And just to show you, actually, there is a locking mechanism too, for security, and a deadbolt system here too. So here's the Sky Terrace. Whoa, look at this. There's some loungers here. There's 4 loungers, so we could actually make some friends and bring them over. Because there's only 2 of us, so we're only going to be able to use 2 of these loungers. There's a table over here set up for 6, so we can really make some friends and have dinner with 6 up here. And then just over to the left here, we've got a little wet bar area. So we can, there's a little sink here and some space for like food or drinks here too if you order room service. And one more thing we forgot to film when we were doing the tour, so I'm just coming back to this on a separate day, is that this door right here on the balcony, so straight ahead, we saw the wet bar and everything. This is actually a bathroom. So we didn't actually go in this room, but so it's just a small little bathroom. It's not as fancy as the one downstairs, but it does the trick if you're hanging out up here on the terrace. But yeah, this is so cool. Like, we've got a dining table, loungers, and then last but not least, we have a jacuzzi tub too on this Sky Terrace. Tell me this isn't amazing. Like, we got a beautiful little pergola above us here. And if you wanted to take a little peek at what the Sky Terraces kind of look like, if we look over at this building, the Sky Terraces are all like 3rd floor rooms. So these rooms down here are Sky Terraces, or some of them are. And then they have that 2nd floor that leads up to the Sky Terrace. So there's 3 Sky Terraces per little villa section just here. So if we look over this way, we get a little better view of the ocean here. So again, it's still partial view, but we got a better view here. The wind is really nice up here. The view is beautiful. Looking back over this way, we can even see the Hard Rock sign. I think it's right here. It's hard to see with the sun, but I think I'm pointing at it just here. I hope you guys found this tour really helpful. And if you have any other questions about the room, please feel free to put it down in the comments below. We did some room tours as well on the Heaven side as well. So take a look at some of those room categories on our YouTube channel. And that's gonna do it then for our video tour of this deluxe Sky Terrace 1-bedroom room. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. And if you did, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to find out where are we going next.